Alright, so why do we not teach the US standard algorithm for division in 4th grade, and why do we recommend that you not teach it either to your kids? Um, and if you really want to teach it to them, by all means, feel free. I have a few students every year who come into class already knowing this strategy, and they can get the answer, but it also becomes very inefficient when it doesn't quite work out the way we want. So that's why I recommend the Big 7 for now. They use what they know about multiplication. It helps them kind of seal that concept that multiplication and division are directly related to each other. And then obviously when they get into decimals, the division algorithm is going to be a lot easier for them to extend their answer and find to the 10th place or 100th place or what have you. But in a problem like this, again, this isn't going to be too bad. So we know this is the quotient, this is the divisor, or sorry, dividend, divisor, and the answer will be the quotient. So we'll set up our algorithm. Divisor's out here. 862 is in the dividend. And we know the division algorithm, at least when I was taught as a kid, I would just cover up these numbers and say, okay, can 63 go into 8? Nope. Can 63 go into 86? Yes. I put that however many times right above this digit. That's 1. 63 times 1. So 63 times 1 is 63. So I'm going to subtract. And then, of course, it's best to tell the kids, well, yeah, 63. This is not 1. It's above the tens place. This is like 63 times 10. So that's actually 630. But again, this is where it gets confusing for students to try to explain what's really going on. So 63 times 163, subtract it out, is going to get you 23. Drop the 2, because it's actually 232. And now we're at a little crossroads. Now they're going to have to basically use multiplication anyway, but they might not have a great strategy to do that. If they're familiar with the algorithm for multiplication, which hopefully they are, they might do some quick shortcut methods like, okay, 63 times 4 is 12, it's 252, that's too big, so it's got to be 63 times 3. 189's got to be it, so it's going to be a 3 here. 189. I would count up. So 89 plus 1 gets me to 190, plus 42, so that's going to be 43. 43 is less than 63, so there is my remainder. So I've got 13 remainder 43. So that would be using the standard algorithm for division. But now let's go back to a problem like the one we've solved in the previous, illustrating the previous strategies. So let's say I went over to 472 divided by 63. Now look at this is when the strategy is very, very inefficient for 4th graders and 5th graders. So again, divisor, 472 divided by 63, dividend, and can 63 go into 4? Nope. Can 63 go into 47? Nope. Can 63 go into 472? Well, yeah, but now I'm starting from square one. So now, what do? When I was in school, I would just sit there and over again, I'd try all sorts of different algorithms until I finally got there. Whereas, again, our students can use what they know. They can do the Big 7 and subtract as they go instead of having to subtract all in one foul swoop.